When replacing older plants, it is recommended to wipe the empty trays from roots and dry leaves on a regular basis to keep the agwa garden clean. We recommend completing a full cleaning of the agwa garden once every 6 months to a year, which involves rinsing the trays, collecting dry leaves, and cleaning the system's walls. To begin, gather a brush, a moist cloth, a pail of warm water, and a clean area on which to set the plants. It is important to return the plants to their original area after cleaning. Disconnect the agwa garden from the power source to turn off the water flow. Remove the plants and place them in a different container. It is recommended that old capsules or mature plants that need to be replaced be disposed of in a recycling bin. Disassemble the system components. Discard the trays, coverings, baskets, and inner tube. Manually remove accumulated roots. Wash all system components under running water in the sink with a brush. Then, remove the drippers from the system's belly. Using a moist cloth, clean the device's interior walls. Follow these procedures to reactivate the agwa garden. Step 1. Replace the drippers in their original positions. Step 2. Reassemble the tray's components and replace the baskets at the planting spot. Step 3. Reposition the trays. It should be noted that the water access point is exactly beneath the water pipe heading to the tray. Connect the agwa garden to a power source.